Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the Tunisian crossover stitch. So I'm starting my pattern with 14 foundation chains. For the Tunisian crossover stitch, you'll need to make a foundation chain that's a multiple of 3 plus 2. In this case, my multiple of 3 is 12 plus 2 equals 14, and you can of course make yours as long as you'd like. Now, as is custom with Tunisian crochet, I'm going to pull up loops going all the way across the row. So in the second chain stitch from our hook, insert our hook and pull up a loop. And we're also going to do that in each of the chains going across the row. Now once completed, you'll see that we have loops going across our hook, and this should be 14 loops for me. Now the number of loops on your hook should coincide with the number of chain stitches you would have done. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can always go ahead and count your loops to ensure that you're right on track. And then you're going to chain 1 for your return pass, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do that until we only have 1 loop on our hook. Now once you're left with 1 loop on your hook, you'll also notice vertical bars going all the way across the row. For the Tunisian crossover stitch, we'll be working into each of these vertical bars. Now to start the pattern, yarn over your hook, and we're going to skip the first vertical bar that's here, but in the second we're going to do a simple stitch. So insert your hook and pull up a loop. And we're going to do that for the next 2 vertical bars as well. And to make that crossover pattern, we're going to take the loop on our hook that's from our yarn over, and we're going to pull it over these 3 stitches. And then we're going to do that again. So yarn over our hook and then do simple stitches for the next 3 counts. And then taking that yarn over piece, we're going to pull it over those 3 stitches all the way over our hook. And we're just going to repeat that across the row. And then in the last stitch where we have our last vertical bar, we're going to insert our hook to the right behind the vertical bar here, but also if you turn your hook to the side, you'll see that there is a bar to the back as well. We're also going to insert our hook there, and then we're going to pull up a loop. Chain 1 for our return pass, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, And if you also count the loops that's on our hook, you'll see that we have a count of 14. But again, to close out the round, we're always going to yarn over and pull through 2 to close it out. Now this stitch pattern, it's a 1 row repeat, so in the next row we're going to do the same. So yarn over and then do 3 simple stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to take the loop from our yarn over and pull it over those 3 stitches. And then we're going to repeat that going across the row. And then in the last stitch, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook behind the vertical bar and pull up a loop, chain 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2 to close out the round. So pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and you're going to do that until you're at the end. So again, this is a 1 row repeat, so continue that pattern until you're at your desired length. Now this is the final look. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and please remember to subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't done so as yet. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and I'll get right back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!